Hi loves! Thank you for joining me today. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to draw chopped green onion to make your food illustrations look more realistic and appetizing. With this tutorial, you'll learn how to add green onions on any dish you like. For this tutorial, you'll need 3 shades of green, a light, medium and a dark one, plus a white colored pencil for the highlights. I'm using Copic Sketch alcohol markers plus Carandache Luminance white colored pencil on a Bristol paper. Let's start with the sketching. To give this dish a fresh look, I made in chopped green onions. I'm drawing them as tiny oval shapes with an open center to suggest the hollow stems. Some pieces are rounder, others are a bit elongated to make it look natural. I'm scattering the slices in the different directions, so they don't all look the same. A few are overlapping and some are drawn slightly tilted to create a casual look. At the coloring stage of food background, I am going around my onion pieces, so I'm leaving blank spaces to color them later. Now let's move on to the coloring. Now I'm filling in each piece with my light green marker. This will be the base color. Trying to leave some teeny gaps at the edges to create the softer look, almost like the lighter fresh part of the onion. Now I'm taking my medium green and starting to build up texture, adding the colors on one side of each piece to suggest thickness and adding textures. Going back to my lighter green and blending the transition. This layering makes the onion look juicy and three-dimensional. Now, with the dark green, I'm going even deeper, using it to make darkest parts, usually in the middle of the cut or at the base where the onion curls slightly. This contrast will make the tiny pieces really pop. After all that, I'm I'm taking my white colored pencil and adding fine highlights to the edges and across the surface. This little detail will mimic the glossy, moist texture of fresh onion. Finally, don't forget the shadows. To make the onion look like it's sitting on the food, add small cast shadows underneath each piece. Use the same color you're using for shadows in the rest of the illustration. In my case, it's a warm gray. This makes everything look consistent and realistic. And that's it! By combining light, medium and dark greens with a few highlights and shadows, you can make simple onion slices look vibrant and delicious in any food drawing. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful. If you would like to see the full tutorial for this illustration, it's available on my Patreon page. The link is in the description box. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now!